Hey, what's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. So what's going on guys? Now guys, in this video I'm talking about the XRP latest update, what's going on in the XRP. Now you can see here guys, if we talk about the current live price of the XRP, so 123 cent is the right now price of the XRP in the market. Furthermore, other side, if we talk about the changes of the XRP, so now the whole changes is going wrong. Just look here, last 1 hour changes is negative, last 1 day changes is positive, and last 1 week changes occur in the XRP is going crash. I think in the bedtime of XRP is again start now. But guys, just look here, if we study the price chart of the XRP, so that's clear from this price chart that you can see this time the price pump and again price falls down, again the price pump, and now again I think the falling time of XRP starts. So guys, don't take it serious, because I believe that is a temporary falls, and due to after some passage of time the price changes occur in the XRP will become positive. And as you already know about XRP Ripple coin, that 103% the change is positive in the market, and 1.134 cent is the highest price of XRP in the last 1 month period. So guys, hope you like this update video. Kindly subscribe channel for more updates videos about XRP Ripple coin.